Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell you something. My father is right there, so you don't know. I'm gonna tell you all of this. Okay, you gotta listen to me and find out. What room is this? It's Jaquan room. You know, it's Jaquan room. Okay, we gotta do what Mommy said. We gotta make a video. Okay, this is the bathroom. No, this is where the first place. Okay. Oh. Okay. And this is the bathroom. We call this the shower bathroom. When it's finished, Bill, I'm going to show you all of it. And it's going to be a great video. So, whoa! Yeah, long video. I'm just taking out the stuff. Okay. Okay. You know about this? Look at this beautiful house. Because you know this house is much very beautiful. Make sure you never like this video. Because comment down below you're gonna like this. Okay, I believe what's gone. I do not know where he is. Okay, you gotta know what I say if you don't. And I will be kidnapped. So you don't know what is going on. So you tell my mother about she's right here. Bye-bye.